Basic instruction video for Combined Arms number 2, Fortune Cards. You will have a hand of fortune cards to play before you move or attack in your turn. Fortune's cards can influence the tokens on the board by destroying or fatiguing opponent battalion tokens or enabling special movement and attacks of your own tokens. There are 4 types of fortune cards: Maneuver, Mobility, Spec Ops, and Firepower. Maneuver allows special attack or reinforcement options before, during, or after movement or ground assault in the current turn. Mobility allows you to position fresh forces for action in a future turn. Spec Ops, Special Operations, destroys opponent forces, fatigues them, and can even make them switch loyalties. Firepower is traditional artillery, missiles, and airstrikes, and also drones. Most fortune cards must be powered to be used. The power is held in the fresh battalion tokens on the board. When you power or arm a fortunes card, fresh tokens on the board are turned upside down to show the white fatigued side. Tokens committed to arming fortune cards cannot then move or attack the rest of the season. Firepower uses token power to destroy opponent tokens within a certain range. Drones, 1 rayon, artillery, 2, airstrike, 3, and missiles, 4 to 8 rayons. Mobility and Spec Ops cards can be powered by tokens anywhere on the board, including rear areas. Maneuver cards require no token power. Deck building. At the beginning of the game, the 48-card Fortunes deck is dealt evenly between the players. Choosing, training, and discarding, each player builds their own deck of 12 cards to be drawn and used randomly throughout the game. Shuffle your 12th card deck and place them face down in your arsenal, the table space between you and the board. Drawing a hand. Before the first turn, you draw 5 cards from the top of your deck into your hand. Cards are played during turns, and you draw back up to 5 at the start of the next season. Tapping cards. Cards can be played only once per season. You turn the cards sideways, called tapping, to indicate that you will play it that turn. You then pay any power cost by fatiguing the appropriate tokens. Arsenal and Arena. There are 2 areas where you must play your cards before you can tap them. The first area is your arsenal. At the start of every season, you play 1 card to your arsenal face up. It is then ready to be tapped in one of the 3 turns of the season. Tapped cards in the arsenal are refreshed at the beginning of the next season to be played again and again. With a new card each season, you will develop a formidable arsenal within a few seasons. The second area is the Arena, a shared area beside the rayon board. When you play a card to the Arena, it goes into effect that turn, but it is discarded immediately after. Burning cards to the Arena brings great power to a turn, but beware. When you have played the last of your 12 fortune cards, you must concede the game at the end of that turn. These are the basic concepts of fortune cards. Consult the rule book for subtleties such as anti-firepower or responses.